This is Planet Weirdo, a fictional planet built by me, that is home to the Weirdo as well as many other life forms. However, this evil little weirdo thing is destroying the planet. Now, why on earth would this weirdo thing destroy Planet Weirdo? We don't know, and so we're gonna find out. Here on Planet Weirdo, you can see this little civilization with a house, a bridge, lots of weirdos running around, a factory off in the distance, a farm here. But first, let's have a look at the cows. Now, these weirdo cows are very good. They provide the weirdos with weirdo dung, which is basically what they need to survive. So, without these weirdo cows, the weirdos, they wouldn't exist. So, thank you to the weirdo cows. However, these weirdo cows let off a poisonous gas. Bit unfortunate, really. It means that Planet Weirdo is gonna burn eventually. Because all of these gases get clouded in the atmosphere, and soon disaster will strike. Silly weirdo cows. Luckily, that's not their only source of food, as there's another source of food called weirdo wheat, which the weirdos use to make, guess what? Weirdo bread. And luckily, this doesn't let off any poisonous gas. But it does take up a lot of space. And you can see that the weirdos don't have that much flat ground. And the only way they can get that flat ground is through deforestation. You have to burn down all of these weirdo trees to get rid of all of this wasted space and plant crops that are vital to their survival. Bit selfish if you ask me. But the weirdos need a power source. This is the weirdo source. It's pumped up from underground and put in a power supply to allow them to power all their machinery. But this also causes pollution. So the weirdos have agreed that it's now time for their secret weapon. Behold, the ultimate species. This is the Weirdotron, seen by the weirdos as the ultimate species. This is because it doesn't rely upon food, which brings two positives. One, no more deforestation to make way for the weirdo wheat farms, and two, those silly weirdo cows will thankfully not be letting any more poisonous gases into the atmosphere. As well as that, the Weirdotrons are so powerful they don't even need the Weirdon source, which brings yet another benefit to the atmosphere. It seems like a no-brainer. Why haven't the weirdos created this ultimate species? Well, it's time for the reveal. The bridge is actually made of wood, and the surrounding isn't purple, it's grass. The house is again made of wood. The weirdo cows are actually regular cows. The weirdo wheat is, again, regular wheat. Who'd have known? But the weirdos are actually humans. Normal, everyday, planet Earth humans that socialize with one another. Just like these villagers are interpreting. Which means that Planet Weirdo must be planet Earth. And those Weirdotrons, they're AI. What's your view on AI? Are they the ultimate species, the solution to global warming? Or are they just lumps of machinery programmed to do stuff we humans can do ourselves? Well, I'm not a human, but never mind. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this sort of content and I'll make more of it. And also let me know if the Minecraft content was good to explain this. If it was, then I'll be sure to do that more often. But goodbye from me.